Hey there muscle car fans, thanks for tuning in at Pedal to the Metal muscle car performance video. With today we're going to show you another great car in the form of this 1970 Plymouth Duster. The Duster, which is a true performance car, is an H-code car. It's got the H-code in the VIN, which tells you that this car was originally equipped with a 340 cubic inch performance engine, performance rear axle package and also performance suspension and braking systems, which means this is a true performance car. It's also a pretty rare car because it came from the factory in the colors as you see it here today. The stunning, beautiful purple Plumcrazy paint color with the white vinyl top and the white interior makes it an awesome combination. It's also equipped with many options, and one of the rare options also being the rally dash with the tacho built in. The car you see here is completely restored. It's all numbers matching, which means it's got the factory original engine and also the transmission with the car. At the moment the car is equipped with a special high performance transmission from TCI, but we also have the original factory Chrysler TF727 transmission with it. The car stands on its original rally wheels, and all the details and specs as you see on the video and on the pictures is how the car came with from the factory. It's got some great options, as I already told you, like the white vinyl top. It's got the 8.75 rear axle package, but it's also got bucket seats, which is pretty rare for a Plymouth Duster. It's got floor shifter with a console, power steering, it's got power brakes, front disc brakes, it's got the AM radio, rally wheels, and not to mention the most important thing maybe for this car, it also has the rally dash, which has the round gouges with the built-in tacho inside, instead of the normally pretty basic dashboard which you see in standard Dusters. This car runs and drives beautifully. As we already said, it's completely restored. The underside of this car is as clean as the outside. It's got all the correct details, the chrome, the trim, the glass is all in beautiful condition. And for the money we ask for this car, you just can't restore it. If you want more information, just go online to www.pttmgarage.com for pricing and other information. Thank you for watching.